welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AKAAWOL, and yesterday we made this template that I'm really excited. It's kind of early in the day. I still have my coffee, and I wanted to work on this so I'd have a bracelet to work on for the live stream later on. So I've already put in these guidelines, which are, you know, kind of spaced out evenly on either side, and we have the guideline down the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this blue color, and it's just going to go for 3 knots right there. And then the second blue color, which is this one here, it gets 3 knots and then 1 on the other side. So that's kind of the pattern. Is we're going to have this really wide stripe, but there'll be a little skinny stripe running on the inside. I haven't tried this before. I have no idea how cool it will look. But there's like 3 and then 3 more, and there's 4 knots on the outside parts. So in some ways it's gonna kind of look pretty balanced. I kind of suspect it might look like a zipper. So I'm having to be careful here. I keep wanting to go across that middle row. But yeah, that one stays. So this is so yeah, I am really excited about this one. I really think that when it comes to the fancy candies, this could be an exceptional one, especially since it's smaller. Like, let's face it, the really big one, that was pretty cool, but possibly a lot of that is because it's really big, right? Whoa, Control Z. I think I hit shift instead. Did not mean to do that. I think it's harder to make a smaller bracelet really outstanding, at least when comparing them to the big bracelets. So, and this isn't exactly a small bracelet. I mean, 16 strings. Oops, not in the middle. 16 strings isn't really that small. I used to always make them this size because it's right in that zone where it's not too small where a guy would feel like it's petite, and not so big that a woman wouldn't want to wear it. And then I kind of shifted from the 16 to 12s because I kind of found a lot of guys kind of liked that smaller size, and they became kind of popular. Plus, they were faster to make, fewer knots, right? But that's not to say that that I don't still have a great love for this size bracelet. I think these ones are pretty cool. Typically speaking, I think I probably only can make like maybe 2 of these in a day. Just the whole, you know, muscles and just overall whatever, but my ability to focus on it. I think maybe 2 is kind of my limit. I guess I could try to push myself sometime, try to see what I am capable of these days, because I definitely feel like I'm in better shape as far as bracelet making goes than I was when I was younger. Because yeah, I think 2 really was the limit back in the day. So look at this, we're almost to the end of it. I already have the kumis made up. I had Mandy putting them together. These are like leftover strings from those bigger bracelets. So yeah, It's all ready to make. All I gotta do is sit down and do it. So this is our pattern, and yeah, look, like you have this really big wide stripe, but just a little one running right down the middle. That should be really neat. I don't know if that's gonna make it more like a zipper. I don't know. I just think it's gonna be really cool. Alternatively, we could have done like the diamonds in there. We could have done something else, but I think this is gonna be fun. Hey, let me just give a quick thanks to my YouTube members for making this possible. Go through so much string here. I can't even, it's really, it's like 40 or 50 skeins in 5 videos. So yeah, it's really a lot. And it's their support that helps make all that possible. So thank you guys very much. Thanks for hanging out with me. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.